ನಮಸ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಕಲಾವತಿ ಕಾಮತ್ತ, ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಮಹಿಳಾ ಪಾಲಿಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರಂಥಾಲಯ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ವಿಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಶ್ರೇಣಿ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಾನು ಈಗ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಪ್ಲೊಮಾ ಇನ್ ಲೈಬ್ರರಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೋರ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಬ್ರರೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನುವ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5th ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಆಫ್ಸೆಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟಿಂಗ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ, advantages and disadvantages. Offset printing is a common printing technique in which the linked image is transferred from a plate to a rubber blanket and then to the printing surface. When used in combination with the lithographic process, which is based on the repulsion of oil and water, the offset technique employs a flat image carrier. Ink rollers transfer ink to the image areas of the image carrier, while a water roller applies a water-based film to the non-image areas. The modern web process feeds a large reel of paper through a large press machine in several parts, typically for several meters, which then prints continuously as the paper is fed through. Department of the offset press came in two versions in 1875 by Robert Barclay of England for printing on tin, and in 1904 by Ira Washington Rubel of the United States for printing on paper. History. Lithography was initially created to be an inexpensive method of reproducing artwork. This printing process was limited to use on flat, porous surfaces because the printing plates were produced from limestone. In fact, the word lithograph historically means an image from stone or printed from stone. The first rotary offset lithographic printing press was created in England and patented in 1875 by Robert Barclay. This development combined mid-19th century transfer printing technologies and Richard March Hoy 1843 rotary printing press, a press that used a metal cylinder instead of a flat stone. The offset cylinder was covered with specially treated cardboard that transferred the printed image from the stone to the surface of the metal. Later, the cardboard covering of the offset cylinder was changed to rubber, which is still the most commonly used material. As the 19th century closed, the photography became popular. Many lithographic firms went out of business. Photo engraving, a process that used half-tone technology instead of illustration, became the primary aesthetic of the era. Many printers, including Ira Washington Rubel of New Jersey, were using the low-cost lithograph process to produce copies of photographs and books. Rubel discovered in 1901 by forgetting to load a sheet that printing from the rubber roller instead of the metal made the printed page clearer and sharper. After further refinement, the Potter Press Printing Company in New York produced a press in 1903. By 1907, the Rebel offset press was in use in San Francisco. The Harris Automatic Press Company also created a similar press around the same time. Charles and Albert Harris modeled their press on a rotary letterpress machine. Newspaper publisher Stanley T. McBrayer invented the Vanguard web offset press for newspaper printing, which he unveiled in 1954 in Fort Worth, Texas. Modern offset printing. One of the important functions in the printing process is the pre-press production. This stage makes sure that all files are correctly processed in preparation for printing. This includes converting to the proper CMYK color model, finalizing the files, and creating plates for each color of the job to be run on the press. CMYK 4 colors offset in fabric offset printing. Offset lithography is one of the most common ways of creating printed materials. A few of its common applications include newspapers, magazines, brochures, stationery, and books. Compared to other printing methods, offset printing is best suited for economically producing large volumes of high quality prints in a manner that requires little maintenance. Many modern offset presses use a computer to plate systems as opposed to the older computer to film workflows, which further increases their quality. There are two types of offset printing, wet offset and waterless offset. Wet offset lithography uses a mix of wetting fluids to manage ink adhesion and to protect non-image areas. Waterless offset lithography employs a different method where a plate's non-image areas are protected via a layer of ink repellent silicone. Waterless offset lithography is relatively new. How to work? Offset lithography is a multi-step process that uses etched metal plates, water repellent inks, water blanket cylinders, and impression cylinders. The plates are created so that oily inks adhere only to the portions of the plate that contain the images and text. A thin film of water over the blank areas of the plate repels the oil-based inks. The ink on the plates is first transferred to a rubber-wrapped blanket cylinder. The ink reaches the paper when the inked blanket cylinder rolls over the paper. Many presses use impression cylinders to apply pressure to the paper as the ink is being applied to the paper surface. Impression cylinders also help move the sheets through the presses. The offset printing process requires making a separate plates and a blanket rollers for each color of ink that will be used. Different variations of pressures, plates, and inks are used for different run lengths and subtract requirements. For example, some presses may print millions of copies of a magazine. Other presses may print 250 large sheets that will be folded to make multi-page brochures. Offset printing press. So how to work offset printing process. You see the diagram, see the picture. Advantages of offset printing. Consistent high image quality. Offset printing produces sharp and clean images and type more easily than, for example, letter press printing. This is because the rubber blanket conforms to the texture of the printing surface. Quick and easy production of printing plates. Longer printing plate life than on a direct litho presses because there is no direct contact between the plate and the printing surface. Properly developed plates used with optimized optimized links and Fontaine solution may achieve run length of more than a million impressions. Cost. Offset printing is a cheapest method for producing high quality prints in commercial printing quantities. Ability to adjust the amount of ink on the fountain roller with the screw keys. Most commonly, a metal blade controls the amount of ink transferred from the ink through to the fountain roller. By adjusting the screws, the operator alters the gap between the blade and the fountain roller, increasing or decreasing the amount of ink applied to the roller in certain areas. This consequently modifies the density of the color in the respective area of the image. On older machines, one adjusts the screws manually, but on modern machines, the screw keys are operated electronically by the printer controlling the machine, enabling a much more precise result. Disadvantages of offset printing. Slightly inferior image quality compared to rotograver of photograver printing. Rotograver or photograver printing. Propensity of for anodized aluminum printing plates to become sensitive and print in non-image background areas when developed plates are not cared for properly. Time and cost associated with producing plates and printing press setup. As a result, very small quantity printing jobs may now use digital offset machines. Every printing technology has its own identifying marks, and offset printing is no exception. In text reproduction, the type edges are sharp and have clear outlines. The paper surrounding the ink dots is usually unprinted. The off-tone dots can be hexagonal, though there are different screening methods. web-fed offset lithographic press of a sheet. Then water roller, ink roller, water plate cylinder, offset cylinder, and middle of the paper, then impression cylinder. Side view of the offset printing process. Multiple ink rollers are used to distribute and homogenize the ink. Thank you. ಇನ್ನು ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಾದರೆ ತಾವು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.